Hello tech fans, welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we bring you the deepest dives into the gear you care about. No fluff, just real insight. What if I told you the next mini gaming PC might challenge full towers yet fit in the palm of your hand? Meet the 2025 ROG NUC, a powerhouse in a compact shell. Today we're doing a complete review with specs, performance, design, pros and cons, and whether it's really worth your money. Stick around, because there's one little compromise you'll definitely want to know before buying. The new ROG NUC comes equipped with Intel's Core Ultra 9275HX processor, capable of pushing boost speeds above 5 GHz, paired with NVIDIA's RTX 5080 laptop GPU. Out of the box you get 16 GB DDR5 memory and a 2 TB NVMe SSD, with support for much larger upgrades if needed. The footprint is surprisingly small, with dimensions under 30 cm wide and about 6 cm thick, all wrapped in a chassis built to pass military-grade durability standards. The design screams ASUS ROG, angular vents, metal panels, RGB accents, and a solid, premium feel with tool-less side access that makes memory and storage upgrades fairly simple. The compactness is great, but of course it brings some challenges when it comes to cooling. Even though this isn't a laptop, its display support is a big selling point. You can connect up to 5 4K monitors simultaneously thanks to multiple DisplayPorts, HDMI 2.1, and Thunderbolt 4. In demos, it's been shown running demanding games on high-refresh 4K OLED displays without breaking a sweat, making it perfect for multi-monitor gaming or creative setups. Performance is where this mini rig wants to shine. The Core Ultra chip brings hybrid architecture with performance and efficiency cores, and paired with the RTX 5080 it delivers desktop-class gaming in a much smaller box. In real-world use, that means high frame rates at 1440p ultra settings and even smooth 4K gameplay if you're willing to tune settings. The same power makes it ideal for video editing, 3D rendering, or other creative workloads where CPU, GPU, and fast storage all come into play. The real test is how long it can sustain that performance before heat builds up, since cooling in such a small system will always be a challenge. On the software side, it runs Windows 11 with ASUS's Armoury Crate utility, giving you full control over cooling profiles, lighting effects, performance modes, and system monitoring. It also taps into AI acceleration from the NPU in the Core Ultra and the DLSS 4 capabilities of the RTX 50 series, which should enhance both creative workflows and gaming efficiency. Power consumption is another important factor. Since it's always plugged in, there's no battery life to worry about, but compact cooling means heat and noise could be noticeable under heavy loads. The CPU and GPU are extremely efficient when idle, but full gaming sessions will push fans and power draw to their limits. For gaming, early tests show it running titles like Cyberpunk and Red Dead Redemption with stable frame rates at high settings. Competitive shooters and fast-paced games also perform well, especially paired with high refresh monitors. For creators, this little machine packs serious horsepower for editing, compositing, or 3D modeling while taking up minimal space on a desk. Connectivity is excellent. You get Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port, multiple USB-C and USB-A ports, Thunderbolt 4 for high-speed accessories or even external GPUs, and full support for multi-display setups. The one thing missing is an SD card reader, which might disappoint content creators, but otherwise it covers everything. Now let's talk price. The ROG NUC 2025 starts around the low $2,000 range and climbs near $2,800 for higher-end configurations. That's expensive compared to building your own custom desktop, which could deliver better thermals and expandability at a lower cost. But the trade-off here is size, convenience, and the fact that ASUS delivers a turnkey powerhouse ready to go. For gamers or professionals who want serious performance without a bulky tower, it may be worth paying the premium. So where does this leave us? The pros are clear: outstanding performance in such a small box, plenty of connectivity, upgradable RAM and storage, strong software support, and a compact, stylish design. On the flip side, there are cons like limited thermal headroom, higher noise under load, a very steep price, and less flexibility compared to tradit Ionel desktops. My verdict: the 2025 ROG NUC is one of the most ambitious compact gaming PCs ever made. It delivers true desktop-level performance in a form factor you can carry under your arm, making it perfect for space-conscious setups, minimal desk aesthetics, or even LAN parties. It won't completely replace a full tower for those who need maximum cooling and endless upgrades, but if you're willing to pay the premium and accept a few compromises, it's one of the best mini PCs money can buy. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, where we keep you updated with the latest gear and real reviews that matter. Don't forget to stay tuned for more deep dives. See you in the next video.